Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a game-changing strategy that can seriously accelerate your success. It's called the Season of No, and it's all about the power of focus and prioritization. Inspired by insights from some of the world's top achievers like Warren Buffett, this strategy will show you how saying no can actually open doors to bigger opportunities and faster growth. Whether you're struggling to meet your goals or simply want to level up your productivity, you're in the right place. So let's get started and unpack how you can implement this powerful approach in your own life. Number 1. Defining the Season of No. The Season of No refers to a deliberate period during which you prioritize your main goals by declining most other commitments. This period could last from a few months to several years, depending on your objectives. It is not meant to be a permanent lifestyle, but a focused phase to catalyze growth. This strategy involves a strict prioritization of activities that directly contribute to your key goals. During the most intense period, you may find yourself declining social events and professional gatherings despite financial commitments to them, focusing solely on business growth. The emphasis is on avoiding distractions and conserving energy for the most impactful tasks. Key point 2. The power of saying no. Saying no can be challenging as it often feels like rejecting others, which can be uncomfortable. However, turning down requests and opportunities that don't align with your primary goals is essential for success. Saying no is about making a conscious decision to pursue what matters most. The discomfort of rejection can be reframed as selecting a bigger yes, committing fully to your overarching goals. It's a strategic decision to ensure you are not spread too thin and can give your best to what truly matters. Key point 3. Long-term benefits of strategic focus. A dedicated focus during a season of no can lead to substantial achievements, which in turn open new doors and opportunities. This focus helps in building a solid foundation for future success. Relationships and networking opportunities are not typically harmed in the long run. They may even improve due to increased respect for your achievements and dedication. A strategic focus often leads to better quality outputs, which are crucial for sustainable success. Key point 4. Goal prioritization techniques. Warren Buffett advises writing down your top 25 goals, selecting the top 5, and disregarding the rest. During the Season of No, you should focus intensely on the top 1 or 2 goals. This method ensures that you devote your resources to what is truly important, enhancing productivity and effectiveness. By narrowing focus, you avoid the common pitfall of diluting your efforts across too many projects. This disciplined approach helps in achieving more with less by reducing wasted effort on lower priority goals. Key point 5. Innovation through rejection. Innovation requires saying no to many good ideas to focus intensely on the few that have the potential to be truly transformative. Steve Jobs emphasized that true focus means rejecting several good ideas in favor of the very few that are exceptional. This selective focus is crucial for innovation as it allows for deeper exploration and development of chosen ideas. Being selective increases your chances of making significant breakthroughs in your field. Key point 6. Handling distractions and interruptions. In our connected world, distractions are constant. Learning to say no to interruptions is crucial for maintaining productivity and focus. Interruptions not only break focus but also decrease the quality of work due to the split attention and increased time required to complete tasks. The cognitive cost of switching between tasks is high, making it essential to guard your time against seemingly small distractions. Effective time management during this season means declining most unscheduled calls and meetings to protect your productive time. Thanks for watching, everyone. We've covered a lot today about the Season of No and how embracing this focused approach can significantly transform your life and career. Remember, saying no isn't about missing out. It's about choosing to invest your time and energy in what truly matters. If you start applying these principles, you're bound to see remarkable changes in your productivity and progress towards your goals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos packed with more tips and strategies to help you succeed. Drop a comment below to share how you plan to implement the Season of No in your life. Until next time, stay focused, stay motivated, and keep pushing towards your dreams.